Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video lecture, we will discuss about the National Recruitment Agency and Common Eligibility Test. As today government has announced, Cabinet Committee has approved the formation of National Recruitment Agency that will conduct common eligibility test. So number of students were asking about that RBI grade B, SEBI grade A, NABARD grade A and grade B, PO post and other LIC administrative officer. Different type of jobs will be different type of exams will be covered under common eligibility test of which will be conducted by the National Recruitment Agency. So for that we have prepared a video that will clarify all the doubts here. So first question was that like RBI grade B, SEBI grade A, NABARD grade A and B will be covered under common eligibility test or not, like PO, LIC, administrative officer, other insurance companies, administrative officer. So I would like to clarify that these jobs, these exams will not be covered under CET common eligibility test. For this, we have the details and we have the documents which can clarify your doubts that why these exams will not be covered under CET. So first of all, that what is the National Recruitment Agency? National Recruitment Agency, as the Cabinet Committee have approved it, that a multi-agency body called the National Recruitment Agency will conduct a common eligibility test to screen shortlist candidates for the Group B and C non-technical post. So clearly they have mentioned that Group B and C non-technical post. NRA will have representative from Ministry of Railway, Ministry of Finance and Department of Financial Service, SSC, RRB, Railway Recruitment Board, RRB's Railway Recruitment Board, and IBPS. So all the recruitment agency will be having their representative in this recruitment agency, and this recruitment agency will clearly saying that they will recruit, they will conduct the exam for the Group B and C non-technical for C posts. So NRA will conduct Group B and C post this exam, common eligibility exam for the Group B and C post, common eligibility test for the Group B and C post, that is really non-technical only. As you know that banking officers like PO, that junior management scale 1 are equivalent to the Group A post of central government. This was approved by the central government in uh, I think April or August 2017. So all the PO posts that is equivalent to the JMG scale 1, junior management scale 1. So RBI grade B, SEBI grade A, NABARD grade A B, and probationary officer in banks are equivalent to Group A post. So that will be not be covered under CET. So this was the also the PIB, this image from PIB we have put it, that is clearly saying that a junior management scale 1 of PSP, public financial institution, public sector bank and public sector insurance company will be treated as equivalent to group A in central government of a group, sorry, Group A in the government of India, while clerical and other posts will be to the Group C post. So this common eligibility test will be cover the clerical post, most probably clerical post. So don't worry that these exams are not covered under CET. And most probably they will not cover this IBPS will not cover these exams under this common eligibility test, and this is clearly evident from these posts, like they have clearly in the definition that they will conduct the exam for the common eligibility test for the Group B and C post only, while these banking POs and these RB grade B officers, AB grade A, are they are equivalent to the grade A, sorry, Group A post of the central government. And this was the in 2017 government approved this, and earlier they were not equivalent to Group A, but in 2017 government approved that, and this is the PIB highlight. So this way we have taken from the PIB. I mean, they have referred the government of Department of Public Enterprises memorandum and government DRPT, Department of Personnel and Training circular number, that this was approved by the government. So now we will discuss about what is the National Recruitment Agency, why they are going to, why this National Recruitment Agency was formed, because the like clerical post or other post, like SSC, Railway Recruitment Board, IBPS, everyone conduct their own exams. So every time student have to fill the separate form and have to pay the form fees separately, and have to go have to travel again and again for the exam. So that was a burden to the students. So they want to reduce the burden on the students. So the fee, travel expenses, and these all these things. So they reduce it to single exam that will be common eligibility test. So that will be conducted in three levels: 10th level, 12th level, graduate level. Non-technical post like clerical post mainly from the IBPS, Railway Recruitment Board Group B and C post. Most of the their vacancies will be covered from this Group B and C. Under CET, SSC also. This all post of their posts are under Groups B post and Group C post. So common eligibility test will be conducted for all the exams conducted by SSC and RRB, and CET will shortlist the Group B and C post. Based on that, these recruitment agency want to conduct in tier 2 or tier 3 examination, then they can do their self. But if the preliminary exam will be uh, this common eligibility test only. So CET score will be valid for 3 years, and this score will be immediately available to the students after submitting their paper. It will be conducted in online mode only, and in every district the exam center will be there, so you can easily reach. And relaxation in upper age limit as per government guideline for SC, ST, OBC, PWD. No restriction on number of attempts, and exam will be conducted in multiple Indian language, so that student will not face the problems. So it will reduce the time in selection process. Multiple times you have to appear again and again, so that will reduce. Exam to be conducted over a 1000 center. Most probably in every district there will be an exam center. Focus will be on aspirational district. So main access to rural underprivileged candidates and women will get better access, because they are planning to conduct the exam at each district, so they will not face problem as earlier in all the exams they had to travel for long center of their choice. And this will help. This exam can help all central government, even state government can use this score. PSUs, private sector also. This will help in such organization in saving cost and time spent on recruitment. So initially they will conduct the National Recruitment Agency will conduct common eligibility test in twice a year. Online, everything will be done online, and objective type question paper will be there. So 10th, if it is mainly the common eligibility test will be of the 10th or 12th level. Means question standard will be of 10th or 12th level only. That detailed guidelines we have to wait. So from these slides and from the that cabinet committee today approved, and that highlights clearly show that this common eligibility test will be conducted for the, as you can see the previous slides, that for here also it is clearly shown that group and C, B and C post, while this PO, RBI grade B officer, NABARD grade A and grade B officers, SEBI grade A officer, all are equivalent to group A post. So most likely this will not be covered under this common eligibility test. So don't worry, keep preparing. These are the past performance. And these are our courses: RBI Grade B, SEBI Grade A, IRD, NABARD Grade N B, FSI, UPFC, EPFO Enforcement Officer exam. You can subscribe our courses. These are the most economical and the best content we are providing in the market. As we have formed earlier, in 70 to 80% question were covered from our study material, and the most economical courses we are providing. So if you have any doubt about this National Recruitment Agency Common Eligibility Test, you can contact us. Thank you and happy learning.